10 Best Closet Storage Ideas. Closet organization is all about maximizing space, including the vertical hanging space. Most of your clothing won't stretch from floor to ceiling when it's hung, which means you can install rows of clothing rods one on top of the other to double your hanging space. To install, bump up your current rod as high as possible but still where you can easily reach your clothes. Then, install a second rod under where you're hanging clothing on the top rod ends. Shoes stored in a pile on the closet floor can be a hassle to sort through to find what you need. So instead, consider storing your most used pairs of shoes on the inside of your closet door. You can achieve this look by installing a simple towel bar on the door. Blogger Maria Emberston at The Waves We Make used an IKEA grundle rail in her closet and hung her shoes from hooks that fit over the bar. Small articles of clothing and accessories can be difficult to store in an orderly fashion. Instead of piling them in bins or drawers, consider hanging some of them from a single hanger. This trick will work for tank tops, scarves, belts, ties, necklaces, and more. All you need are a hanger and shower curtain rings. Simply attach the rings to the hanger, and slip your hanging items into the rings as well. Valet hooks can be a game changer in terms of time management. For instance, if you have to be up and ready early in the morning, hang your outfit the night before on a valet hook in your closet, so it's right at your fingertips. You also can use a valet hook to hang your workout clothes as inspiration for you to hit the gym. And you can use these simple hooks as a spot to temporarily hang coats or dry cleaning bags. Plus, they make a great place to hang purses, belts, and scarves. Suits, blazers, dresses, and shirts each have a different type of hanger that's designated for them, which can become overwhelming and costly. Instead, you can keep your closet simple with a good basic wooden hanger that can work for most articles of clothing. Matching hangers will give your closet a more visually appealing, organized look, which in turn can inspire you to keep it organized. A little labeling can make everything in your closet easier to find. It's especially useful for opaque storage bins, as well as bins on a high shelf where you can't easily see what's inside. Use a label maker to get the job done quickly, or DIY your own labels from craft paper or cardboard and tie or adhere them to your bins. Shelf dividers can help to organize limited shelf space. They make folding and stacking your clothing easier, and overall they make the shelf look a lot neater. Once you fold a pile of clothing, the dividers will keep everything in place and ensure that the pile doesn't topple over. Shelf dividers come in different sizes, so measure your clothes first to get the right dividers for your needs. Bins and baskets are a great way to keep small articles of clothing and accessories organized by category. Plus, they're helpful to add to hard-to-reach shelves, as you just have to grab the whole bin rather than reach around to find a particular item. In them you can store items such as belts, hats and gloves, tights, and off-season clothing. When everything has a place, you'll be more likely to return items to their designated spots and keep your whole closet organized. Closet kits are a versatile way to update any closet without the price and hassle of designing and installing a custom closet system. You decide how much hanging space and shelving you need, and the kit can be fitted to your specifications. All of the rods and shelves can expand to fit your closet. And if you're working with a larger space and need 2 or 3 kits instead of one, they all can fit together for a cohesive look. Plastic storage containers are closet storage staples. They come in a variety of shapes and sizes to fit nearly any article of clothing. And they come in clear varieties, so you can quickly assess what's inside. Or they can be labeled or color-coded based on their contents. To keep your closet functioning efficiently, move your off-season clothing to storage containers. That way, your closet will have more space for the part of your wardrobe you're wearing regularly, and your off-season clothes will remain organized and protected in the containers. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.